How to install Microsoft Office on your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install Microsoft Office on your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Microsoft Store. Simply search for Store on your search bar and you'll find Microsoft Store. Open it up and just make sure that you're logged in into your account. After it opens up, head over to the search bar and search for Microsoft Office. Hit enter, and after you hit Microsoft Office, you will find this right here. Now, you'll see a lot of different versions available right here, but right now what you will need to install is Microsoft 365 Copilot. Now, it has been renamed, so you can simply open this up and install this one right here. As you can see, I've already installed this. You'll get the install button. Tap on install and install it. So as you can see right here, you will be able to use all of the Microsoft apps. Let me show you guys. So yeah, you can use all of the Microsoft's apps, which are normally available in Microsoft Office. Your presentation, your Word document, including your spreadsheets, you can use everything. As you can see right here, these are available right here. The photo didn't load, but yeah, you can use all of the apps available on Microsoft Office, as you can see, formerly known as Microsoft 365 Office app. And after you download this, you can open it up and log in and start using it. And that's basically how you install Microsoft Office in your Windows device. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.